Process of transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water from a plant in the form of water vapor. The water is absorbed by the roots from the soil and transported as a liquid to the leaves via the xylem. In the leaves, small pores allow the water to escape as vapor. Of all the water absorbed by plants, less than 5% remains in the plant for growth. In actively growing plants, water is continuously evaporating from the surface of the cells that are exposed to the air. This water is replaced by additional absorption of water from the soil. Liquid water extends through the plant from the soil to the leaf cells, where it is converted from a liquid into a gas through the process of evaporation. The cohesive properties of water allow the column of water to be pulled up through the plant as water molecules are evaporating on the leaf surface at the same time. The process of transpiration. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from the surface of the leaf cells in actively growing plants. We already know that this water is replaced by the additional absorption of water from the soil, and this leads us to a continuous column of water in the plant xylem. The process of transpiration provides the plant with evaporative cooling, nutrients, carbon dioxide entry, and water to provide plant structure. Rates of transpiration depend on the water potential gradient from the soil to the atmosphere and the resistance of it moving through the plant itself. The water enters the roots and travels through the cortex and endodermal layers of the cell to reach the xylem, where water ascends to the leaf where, if not used by the plant, evaporates. If the water loss is greater than the uptake, air bubbles can form in the xylem. Plants reduce water loss by closing their stomata, developing thick cuticles, or by possessing leaf hairs to increase the boundary layer. The stomata is quickly to respond to the environmental cues to protect the plant from losing too much water, but this still allows enough carbon dioxide to drive photosynthesis. So transpiration in a nutshell. In short, water is drawn from the cells in the xylem to replace the water which is being lost in the leaves. Water molecules inside the xylem cells are strongly attracted to each other, and there is a strong cohesion between the molecules because of the hydrogen bonding. A continuous column of water is therefore being pulled up the stem in a transpiration stream by evaporation from the leaves. As water travels through the xylem in the stem and the leaf, it is being replaced by water uptaken by the roots.